What's up, future internet stars? Ready to launch your first stream with insane custom alerts and zero dropped frames? Today, I'll show you how to deploy the ultimate Streamlabs setup completely free. Let's get your broadcasting career moving right now. Let's hit that link on our platform and grab the deployment package immediately. Once opened, the automated routine kicks in, pulling down the optimized encoding core and cloud layout assets straight onto your local machine. Boom. The base setup is locked in. Now, let the open configuration screen do its magic to finish mapping the interactive alert boxes and chat widgets. This step is lightning fast and wraps up in a literal blink. Let's fire up the broadcast dashboard for the very first time. We are opening up a fresh scene just to verify that the video capture, audio tracks, and custom overlays load up completely lag-free and ready for action. The entire streaming studio is calibrated, tested, and ready to push high-quality content to Twitch or YouTube with zero limits. Head over to our webpage right now to grab the installer and go live like an absolute pro.